Hi, I'm Diaper with Nathan Party, and welcome to my channel where I let my creative side run wild. Today, I will be showing you how to make a diaper cake using one of my whale diaper cake kits. My diaper cake kits come in a package similar to this one. The box is usually bigger, but of course, when I'm ready to do the video, I don't have any more. But essentially what it comes with is an 8-inch cake board, some instructions, a cardboard tube, some paper shred, the ribbon, rubber bands, the sticks, and a mini glue stick, and the cutouts. So here are all of the cutouts. Nothing comes assembled. It's a kit. You do it all yourself. But pretty much all you're going to need to purchase are the diapers. So here we've got different whale cutouts, some large, some small, and this is a tag. It says it's a boy, but you can request what you want it to say. You can have it say the baby's name or welcome baby, baby shower, anything like that. And here is some paper confetti. I also forgot to mention you will need a glue gun and probably some tacky glue to assemble the paper cutouts, and the glue gun is to assemble the ribbon. First, we need to make our diaper circles. So you can use about 50 to 60 diapers with this diaper cake kit. I'm gonna do 50. So what I'll do is I will have 27 on the bottom, 16 in the middle, and 7 on the top. All right, the tube, it's easier to put the tube in from the bottom tier. Just roll it in and stick each one on top. Now it's time to decorate. So each of the ribbon is 2 yards long. So you can cut it to the size of each tier. And I made it that way in case you didn't want to make this size diaper cake. Maybe you wanted to make only 2 tiers, or maybe you wanted to make some mini diaper cakes. There are 2 yards here, so you can cut them how you want to. There's enough here to make this, and there's a little bit left over. So what I'll do now, instead of measuring each tier again, I'm just going to measure using the ribbon. So I line it up and pull it down to the length of the ribbon and cut, and I'll do that for the gray ribbon as well. Alright, so like I said, I include a mini glue stick in it for you, but I use the larger glue sticks. If you have large ones, you can use those, but this is just there, complimentary. Now, I am going to glue the ends of each ribbon and slide it over the diaper cake. Okay, now it's time to assemble the cutouts. Okay, what I'm gonna do now before I put those on, I'm gonna add my shred. I'm gonna place my tag directly in the center, and by doing that, I have the seams lined up on the back. I'm just gonna eyeball down to where the center would be, so I think it'll be right here. This I'll just put on with some glue. I'm sorry the words are backwards, guys. I'm using my front-facing camera on my phone because the rear-facing camera isn't that great. I'll be getting a new camera soon, I promise. And here's the finished product. It also comes with some confetti that you can place around the base. I'm not going to open it, but you can just place it around the base of the diaper cake. Okay, I will open it. This diaper cake kit is available on my website at affairandparty.com, along with a few other diaper cake kits. This was actually a custom request, so you can request a kit for yourself. You can look at my other diaper cakes, and I can probably make it into a kit for you. Just let me know by sending me a message. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments what you think.